A very good morning, viewers. It's 9:30 and you're watching Republic TV. I'm Deepak Suresh Kumar. A day after the Aam Aadmi Party announced a new scheme for pujaris and granthis promising a monthly stipend of 18,000 rupees if Aam Aadmi Party comes to power, the BJP has claimed that Delhi priests have raised concerns over being excluded from financial support provided to Maulanas for the past decade. The BJP claims that the priests will first demand compensation for the last 10 years from the Aam Aadmi Party government. And we're also learning that the pujaris in Delhi will question Arvind Kejriwal's intent of not giving money in the last 10 years and his traditional anti-Hindu stance. The BJP has been mounting its attack on the Aam Aadmi Party government, calling Kejriwal a Chunavi Hindu. And now we have pujaris also questioning why did Kejriwal not pay them the stipend in the last 10 years. We have Gopi also joining us live on this broadcast. Gopi, the pujaris and the BJP have now questioned Arvind Kejriwal about why they were not paid their dues and why they were not paid the stipend in the last 10 years, and why suddenly is Arvind Kejriwal announcing a stipend for pujaris and granthis.
Well, in fact, Deepak, this row had emerged yesterday itself when Kejriwal had announced schemes for the pujaris and granthis. While to this, we have also seen the other repercussion of this scheme, wherein the Maulanas and Maulvis were protesting outside Kejriwal's residence yesterday, where we had seen that even they have not been paid their salary since past 17 months. To this as well, the Hindu priests and the pujaris and granthis have reiterated on this fact that this is just a populist scheme, like the other two schemes which were previously launched by the Kejriwal, which included the Mahila Samman Yojana as well as a Sanjeevani scheme. So this third scheme is also a way of, kind of bringing a boost during the assembly elections, which are round the corner. So this is what the priests are going to say. And while we are also going to witness, they will be gathering at the Connaught Place today in Delhi near the Hanuman Mandir, and they are going to raise their voice against this scheme of Kejriwal. Back to you, Deepak.
Well, Gopi, what the pujaris and the BJP have questioned is that why suddenly this change of heart for Arvind Kejriwal, because they claim that Arvind Kejriwal has been Hindu Virodi, and why suddenly, announce all these stipends, and why is this happening is what the BJP is questioning.
Well, exactly, Deepak. When you see that as the assembly elections are round the corner and one side the Maulanas are already raising their demands. So just to meet the expectations of the Hindu voters, this is a scheme which has been brought by the Aam Aadmi Party government. While we have also seen that priests have complained that there is a provision in 1970 Act wherein central government allocates fund to the state governments, and it then goes to the priests as well as different Maulanas. We have also seen that the Maulanas have been complaining about this, that Delhi Waqf Board, even after receiving amount from the central government, the money was not given to them. Salary, they did not receive those salaries. Same has happened with the priests. Till 10 years, they were not given a single penny as a grant, and suddenly when election is round the corner, the assembly elections is round the corner, these schemes have been launched by the Aam Aadmi Party government. So all eyes on what next is going to happen at 11:30 at Connaught Place. We will be bringing coverage from there as well. We will update our viewers of what are the voices of priests there from Connaught Place, which will begin at 11:30. Back to you, Deepak.
And also, Gopi, what time will these pujaris meet the former Delhi Chief Minister to, raise their concerns and also to question him on the sudden change of heart?
Well, they have, in fact, sought time to meet Kejriwal, but they have not been permitted yet. They have not been given any time as yet. But yes, as I've just mentioned, that they will be raising their voice at 11:30, where we will be finding many priests. They'll be gathering and they'll be raising voice against the Kejriwal government, against the Aam Aadmi Party government, against former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. So all eyes there for the moment.
Right, Gopi, many thanks for joining me with those details. In fact, my colleague Komal also spoke to one of the pujaris. Listen in.
अरविंद केजरीवाल की इस घोषणा को, इस वादे को किस तरह से देख रहे हैं आप?
जय श्री राम। अरविंद केजरीवाल मुख्यमंत्री जो पहले थे, अभी तो नहीं है, परंतु वादा लॉलीपॉप दिखा के किसी को आशा नहीं देना चाहिए। हमेशा संविधान में पास करके, चाहे ब्राह्मण हो, चाहे पंडित हो, चाहे परंपरागत जो भी हो, अपने पुजारियों का निभार करते हैं, उनको आज नहीं पहले से ही करना चाहिए। आप जाएंगे साउथ के साइड में, वहां पे सरकार उनके प्रत्येक मास स्कीम पारण रखा है गवर्नमेंट के तरफ से, तो उनको भी स्कीम पारण के हिसाब से मिलता है। परंतु खाली दिल्ली में नहीं, और स्टेट में ब्राह्मण को उचित समझना चाहिए, ब्राह्मण को आगे आने के लिए उनको प्रेरणा करना चाहिए। आज जीविका क्यों कम कर रहे हैं, तो उनको यही जीविका क्षेत्र में उनको सही मान्य दक्षिणा इत्यादि नहीं मिलता है। तो इसीलिए हर स्टेट में, खाली दिल्ली में नहीं, खाली आशा देने से नहीं होता है। ये किसी को हम लॉलीपॉप दिखा देंगे कि अब वोट ले लेंगे।
ये नेता लोग ज्यादातर लॉलीपॉप ही देते हैं। दिल्ली में केजरीवाल जी तो 10 साल से दे ही रहे हैं, और आगे फिर ब्राह्मणों को अब लालच दिया गया है। पहले इमामों को दिया गया था, तो कुछ दिन पाए, उसके बाद बैठे हैं उनके घर के आगे धरना प्रदर्शन किए। अब ब्राह्मणों को दिया जा रहा है, लेकिन ब्राह्मण ज्ञानी होता है, ब्राह्मण अपने ज्ञान से कार्य करता है, उनके कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा। अभी इलेक्शन का टाइम है, तो सबको मिल जाएगा 18,000। इलेक्शन हो जाएगा तो 18 रुपए नहीं मिलेगा।